Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch my latest videos, and this is totally free. Hello guys, welcome to Ambrosia the Divine Food. In today's video, I will show you an interesting recipe that is chicken tandoori pulao. I hope you all will like it. So let's begin. To begin with this recipe, here I have some chicken breast. I have cut few gashes so that all the flavor of the spices goes into the chicken well. Now prepare the marinade. For that, in a bowl add 5 tablespoons of curd, followed by 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, add lemon juice around 1 teaspoon, some chaat masala and salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder or green chili paste, a pinch of red food color, and finally add 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour or besan. Give a good mix. Now add the marinade to the chicken pieces. And add 1 teaspoon of oil and massage the chicken pieces very well. Now keep it marinated for at least 2 hours or overnight. When the chicken is ready, heat 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee in a pan. Add the chicken pieces and cook them for 5 minutes from each side on high heat. And make sure to cook in a small batch. Now it's done from both the sides. Take them out and keep the extra remaining marinade aside. To make the pulao, in the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil and add the remaining marinade. Fry it for a minute. Add some peas. Now add 2 cups of washed and soaked rice. Give a good mix. Add some salt to taste. Now add 4 cups of water and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Keep on checking in between. Once done, switch off the flame and add the prepared chicken pieces into the pan. To get an extra smoky flavor of a tandoor, place a heated charcoal in the pan and pour some oil over it and cover instantly. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then serve. That's it. Tandoori chicken pulao is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let me know how it goes for you. See you soon. Happy eating.